If we don't do anything and kind of embrace these new technologies, actually we increase our carbon emissions, we increase the pollution of our oceans, we increase the pollution of our Earth, and ultimately create an unlivable planet for our future. Circular economy is a concept where we need to be more mindful with our natural resources by embracing recycling, reuse, and remanufacturing of our products. Hitachi Ventures is all about connecting founders with this vast network that Hitachi provides. Hitachi is a conglomerate with over 600 companies and 300,000 people globally. With that powerhouse, we can help startups to grow faster and create more impact to the world. Ascent Elements is an advanced materials manufacturer. They use spent lithium-ion batteries and manufacturing scrap to create recycled active battery materials. Ascent is a great example of our core philosophy, not betting on green premiums. Doing that with a patented process called hydro to cathode. They can cut about 15 different steps you normally use to produce cathode material, which is more resource efficient, less energy, and thus less carbon footprint. Samsara, they invented this process that is inherently green, but also at scale is competitive with current kind of oil-based processes. Samsara can actually very fast develop enzymes to target new types of plastic. So currently, they can recycle nylon, nylon 6,6, where they are actually the only ones currently, and polyester. But many more of different plastic types are currently in development through their AI platform. Cyclic Materials is a recycler for rare earth elements. And rare earth elements are almost everywhere in our current environment. They're in data centers, in hard disk drives, in e-motors, in loudspeakers, because everywhere where you have a magnet, you have these rare earth elements. And they are extremely hard to recycle. So with cyclic materials, you can localize your supply chain, create more resilient supply chains while reducing the carbon footprint of your products. They all create efficient processes at scale. They all yield in more environmental friendly processes. They support the vision and philosophy of circular materials to create closed loop supply chains while actually having output materials that have equal or better performance than virgin materials.